Hey there, fellow riders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of off-road motorcycles as we take a close look at the brand new 2024 Yamaha WR450F. This beast is sure to get your adrenaline pumping, so let's get started. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2024 WR450F comes with a sleek and aggressive look that's bound to turn heads on the trail. Its sharp lines, muscular tank, and bold graphics give it a truly imposing presence. For 2024, the new WR450F benefits from the very latest engine and chassis technology from the race-winning YZ450F. The combination of a stronger engine and redesigned lightweight chassis with compact bodywork. Under the hood, or should I say, under the seat, we have a powerful 450 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled DOHC engine. With a compact new aluminium chassis, the wide ratio 5-speed gearbox now features wider main shaft gears for reduced weight and increased strength, with ratios specifically developed for enduro racing. This thing is an absolute powerhouse, delivering top-notch performance for riders of all skill levels. When it comes to handling, the WR450F doesn't disappoint. Its industry-leading suspension setup, with fully adjustable KYB front and rear shocks, ensures a smooth ride even on the roughest terrain. It's like floating on a cloud of dirt and rocks. Whether you're hitting the motocross track, blazing through the desert, or tackling tight trails in the woods, this bike can handle it all. The WR450F's versatile performance makes it a true all-rounder. Now, let's talk tech. Yamaha has equipped this machine with the latest electronics. It features a multi-mode traction control system, switchable engine mapping, and even smartphone connectivity for adjusting settings on the fly. The cockpit of the WR450F is rider-centric, with an easy-to-read LCD display that provides essential information at a glance. The comfortable ergonomics and grippy seat ensure you stay in control, no matter the terrain. Maintenance-wise, Yamaha has made it easy to keep this bike in peak condition. With features like toolless air filter access and a rugged build, you can trust this bike to withstand the toughest challenges. As standard, the 2024 WR450F comes with a new traction control system, itself featuring 2 levels of assistance as well as an offsetting, enduro-spec tires, lights, instruments, muffler, side stand, an engine guard, a radiator fan, toolless airbox access, and a 7.4-liter fuel tank. In summary, the 2024 Yamaha WR450F is a true dirt bike marvel. With its powerful engine, top-notch suspension, and advanced technology, it's ready to take on anything you throw at it. So, if you're looking for the ultimate off-road adventure, this bike should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for joining us today to explore the 2024 Yamaha WR450F. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting motorcycle content. And as always, stay safe out there on the trails. Happy riding!